5-set game. Is it going to be the first win of the Lady Stags? Or makukontinue yung streak ng ating Lady Chiefs?
Alright, so good to have you with us. Thank you for sticking around. This is the most exciting part. Set number 5. Who strikes first? Amakatan.
Good start there by Amakatan.
So no nerves from the veteran. Quickly converting on a point. At ito, I think it's important that we stress that momentum coming in is on the side of the Lady Chiefs with the way they finished set number 4. And that's exactly what you want to see. If you're Coach Roger, yun nagbigay ng set sa Arellano University, yung errors nitong San Sebastian.
And ang dami ding service errors.
Moming Padillon, solid at the serve. Oh, Marasigan, read and dug up. Villaflores. That one bounced off the net, not over.
It was a not over spike there. Medyo mababa yung set sa kanya.
2-1. Hart stays on the court. Siya yung pumalit kanina kay Maui Magaling. And again, she remains on the court. Para kay Coach Obet Javier Hires de Guzman. Oh!
Good combination play there.
Now de Guzman connects. Di Makulangan had it already.
Ibabaw sa bola si de Guzman.
So dual. Patindaan ang magsisimula para sa Arellano. Better pass from Lazarte. Cut! Nakabantay si Batindaan. Villaflores. Oh, tracked down by Lazarte. Gonzalez. Batindaan with a dig again. Villaflores, angled hit. Di Makulangan to cut. Paralejas choosing Villaflores. It is saved by Lazarte. What an effort. Ball is still in the air. They go back to Hart.
Wow.
Oh, who puts it down?
What an adjustment from Hart. Kasi puro misdig lahat.
Yeah.
Tapos yung set sa kanya kung saan-saan.
You can tell, Mel, na si Hart is a thinking spiker.
And no one was there.
Yeah. Knew where to place the ball in that sequence. Santos, kinargahan. Back set for Juna. And Juna scores as we go to our courtside reporter, Aliana Faustino, for an update. Aliana, go ahead.
Martin and Melissa in this game. No one's backing down. So in this final set, both teams received all the motivation they can get to seal the deal. For the Arellano side of things, bumabalik na raw ang kanilang organized block at depensa. Kaya nang malagpasan na nila ang fourth set, hiling na lamang ng coaches na lagyan ng tapang ang lahat ng kanilang galaw. Sa Lady Stags naman, hiling ni Coach Roger Gorayev na tapos na yon, wala na tayong magagawa. Race to 15 na lang to, kaya huwag kayo mawala ng focus, gawa ng matinding emosyon. In this race to the finish, kung sino ang gustong manalo, sila talaga ang mananalo. Who that is? Abangan natin, Martin and Melissa.
Maraming salamat, Aliana. Ang sakit naman ng service error na yon mula kay Pau de Guzman. Pero pinag-uusapan ni Aliana yung tapang nitong Arellano University. It's being led by a rookie in Hart Villaflores, Mel.
And that's true. You know, fifth set is a test of the heart. Kung sinong matibay ang puso, yun yung mananalo sa fifth set.
That's right. Dito naman sa San Sebastian, yan yung sinasabi ni Coach Roger, huwag kayong mawawala ng composure. Service error ulit.
And they've gone through a lot.
Yeah.
Itong game na to.
That's
para
right.
makarating sila sa posisyon nila ngayon.
Again, this is the second 5-set match ng San Sebastian this season. They had one against San Beda. They lost that one. Let's see.
Is it a check ball?
Oh, it was not given. But Kat was certain that it was a check ball.
Knowing na siya na magaling siya magpa-check out ng bola.
Sigurado siya. Kaya nakita mo yung reaction. mula sa mga players natin. Let's see what
Let's
happened
see.
here. Ooh,
That
very
was
close.
hard.
Yeah. very close. Down the line. Oh, this time she converts. Ito binigay na yung check ball. May gigil na doon mula kay Kat Santos.
Kat answered right away. You know, that was our point.
Yeah. Sabi niya, puntos na dapat yun eh. Now she's coming from the back. She's been serving heavy in this match. Paralejas to Padillon. Marasigan. Out by Pablo. Paralejas back to Moming. Yes!
The down the line of Moming Padillon.
Very hard to stop, especially in this match.
The set coming from the back line, pero kaya niya pa rin gawan ng paraan.
Katong kanto para dito kay Moming Padillon. It's a 2-point advantage for the Lady Chiefs. Tina Marasigan puts it down.
What a deep cross there by Tina Marasigan. And it was through the block.
Yeah,
Dodi was there.
that's right.
Ang nipis.
Went for the cross court, pero tama ka, napakanipis nun. Mula kay Tina Marasigan, 15 excellent sets today for Von Di Maculangan. Continuing to improve as a setter. Moming! Pinuhay ni Di Maculangan. Marasigan! Too strong. 8-6. We change sides here in set number 5.
Tina tried to put it dun sa cross na wala yung usual niya na ginagawa, but it was just too strong.
Yeah. Dalawang abante dito ng Arellano Lady Chiefs. And again, this is only a race to 15. So, yung 2 puntos na yan, parang 4 yan. Yun yung pakiramdam. Because again, this is a shorter set that we're having. So, Donna Paralejas. She will start it up. Usually a sharp server. Itong si Donna. She will try to put pressure on the first ball of the Lady Stags. Ooh! Too low. That was below.
Amakatan tried to tip it, pero ang layo kasi ng set eh.
Coach Roger.
Ang sinasabi ko nga sa'yo, pag yung bola maganda nasa harap mo, hindi mo binibigay sa quick. Pero pag yung bola galing sa tagiliran, nandito yung quicker mo, nandito ka, binibigay mo. Eh talagang mangangalawit lang yan. Saan mo ba dapat ilagay yung bola? Ay sinasabi ko, saan ba? Oh, alam mo, ayun pala naman.
Okay, that timeout was for Von Di Maculangan. Kasi mababa yung pagkakabigay sa kanya. Pero ibinigay niya dun sa kanyang quicker. So we'll see if she can adjust here. Here's Von to Tina. That one was deflected. Paralejas going to Moming. Denied. De Guzman. Nakabantay si Di Maculangan. They go back to Tina. Upped by Pablo. Here's the attempt from Pau. And she scores. 10-6 in favor of Arellano.
A consistent player you see there. Sumisigaw si Pao. May reaction niya. And that's rare, kasi quiet lang siya usually.
Correct. Usually nga, nonchalant. Di man nonchalant masyado. Nagre-react naman siya, pero hindi ganun ka-extreme. Yan. Here's Pao again. Oh! He'll go to Tina. And the lady stands.
Wait.
What?
Was it ano?
That's a point.
Akala ko up pa yung bola.
And the Lady Stags needed that. Dahil lumolobo na yung lamang nito Arellano. Kaya getting that one through. Itong si Tina Marasigan. They set a pow from the other side.
Wow. Down the line. The queen of manipis na spike.
Correct. Correct. Mapa-cross court. Mapa-down the
Down.
line.
And then even yung soft spike niya rin.
Yeah. 11-7. Moming with the serve. Combination for Tina Marasigan. It's alive. But a chance ball is given to the Lady Stags. Oh! Wow! The quick attack was shut down by Dodi Batindaan.
Quick attack there. But Dodi was there.
5-point lead to the delight of the Arellano fans.
Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi mo mapapalo, mabablock at mabablock ka. Papasok ka, tatalong ka, papalo ka. Pag-aaralan mo yung blocker mo. Magkombinasyon ka, pwede naman maayos yung chance. Free ball eh. Free ball yan eh. Pwede ka naman magpakombinasyon doon eh. Sino ba nandito sa likod? O, di pwede mo naman papaloy. Diba sinabi ko na, pag free ball maganda receive, kukuwi ka sa likod. Anong ginagawa ninyo? Diyos ko, fifth set na, hindi nyo pa rin maintindihan sinasabi.
Go lang mo.
Alright, this is gonna be an uphill climb para dito sa San Sebastian. Man, a 5-point lead they're facing right now. Tignan natin. Moming Padillon with 13 points. With 3 blocks. Juna Gonzalez. They go to Hart. Pinakulangan to Tina Marasigan. Pero susubukang hanapin ang San Sebastian yung kapit nila dito sa 5th set.
That is off the block. Ang galing din magpa-check ni Tina Marasigan.
Yeah. Magaling gumamit ng mga kamay ng blockers. Here's the jump serve! Ay, ay, ay. Wow, that was massive. Adam Ceballos.
The magic bunot.
Magic bunot, that's right. Arellano is 2 points away from taking their 3rd win in season 99. Good serve. They go to Katz, who powers it through.
Pasok sa blockers.
9-13. San Sebastian needs a run at Santos. That was a perfect setup for her. Gonzalez. Better serve. Villa Flores. Popped up. Santos. Kept alive. Pablo. Underhand setup for Pau. Nandun si Tina sa likod. Santos. Yes. Back-to-back hits for Kat Santos.
The Lady Stag is also at the advantage kasi nasa front line ngayon si Kat Santos. And pagdating sa mga ganitong sitwasyon, maaasahan mo talaga si Kat.
Ito na, porsyentuhan na ang labanan natin. Oh, it's a good serve again from Juna. Villa Flores! Oh! Lazarte unable to handle it. And it is match point, Arellano Lady Chiefs. Casey Adante.
4-6 substitution for Coach Obet dahil kailangan niya ng maganda, malalaking blocker sa harap ng net.
What a turnaround for Arellano University. Santos from the back. Oh, what a dig by Pablo. Marasigan with a counter though. Santos again, but it's a net touch. So San Sebastian saves 1 match point. but they cannot afford to make errors. KJ Junicio. Oh, that's too near the net. Tumama pa. Over-received. Set up for Baste. Santos with a two-handed punch.
Wow! That was a chance ball.
Napaganda ba para sa San Sebastian? 2 straight points. 2 match points saved now by the Lady Stags. Can they keep it up though?
The Lady Stags are getting their momentum. Dumidikit na ang puntos.
KJ to start. Serve. Oh! Difficult first ball. Ball in transition.
What an
Wow!
adjustment!
Hart Villaflores, the rookie, ends the match. Arellano takes the win. 15-12 here in set number 5.
What a great game for the Lady Chiefs. Another win for them.
And
But
that was-
also a great game for the Lady Stags.
they had their chances to win. But that last play, it was a broken play for Arellano. But Hart Villaflores